I just want to talk about the 3 things to how to be a boss without being bossy. The first thing I realized is that your employees don't work for you, you work for them. I stole that from Gary Vee, but it's so true that at the time you become a manager or CEO, you actually have graduated into becoming a greater servant leader to the people that you lead and that you pay, and you have to serve them. They help you fulfill your mission and vision, so you want to make sure that you're helping them fulfill their mission and vision. So the first thing about being a boss is that you want to definitely work for the people that help you accomplish your goal as a boss. The second thing is you don't want to micromanage people, and I kind of tend to lean in that direction. So I've really tried to hold back and delegate in a way that and show that I care about the things that I have people do that work for me, and I do truly and genuinely care about it because it matters to the process, it matters to the people that we serve, it matters to the product, the end product. It matters in a lot of ways, but you definitely don't want to treat people like robots. You want to give them freedom to be creative and to have some room and some margin within their roles and responsibilities. So you don't want to micromanage people. I do care about the details. I do want to win with the company, but I don't want to lose my employees' trust in the process of winning. And the last thing, the third thing about being a boss without being bossy is you want to invest in your people. There's not a true connection with anybody, including your employees if you're a boss or a manager, unless you invest in them, spend time with them, hang out with them, have fun with them, go and do some of the tasks and jobs that they're supposed to do with them. I went and hung out with our team at one of the events that we were hired to do a photography and videography shoot, and we just had fun together. We ate together, and at the same time we're hanging out with our client and having fun with them as well. And so investing in your people will help you have a true connection with them, and when there's a true connection with them, they're willing to go to bat for you. They're going to stay up late and finish a project for you and help you meet a deadline and do all kinds of things that they wouldn't do if there wasn't a true connection. So those are the 3 ways that you can be an exceptionally great boss without being bossy.